How to use text to speech on ClipChamp. Hello everyone, welcome back into the channel. In this video today, I'll guide you through the steps on how you can use text to speech on ClipChamp. Well, the process itself is actually pretty simple and pretty easy, so let me guide you through this video. In order to use text to speech in ClipChamp, what you want to do is you want to simply go ahead and load up ClipChamp, right? There you can add a project or you can use the projects, right? However, now what you can do next is simply go ahead and head over to the option here on the left hand side. Here you'll find this option, right? View media and record and create. You can see the second option at the left hand side. Tap on it or click on it, sorry. Then here, once you click on it, you can see screen and camera, screen, audio, and you can see the text to speech option. So simply tap on it and go ahead and select the text to speech option, and here you can go ahead and add text to speech. You can use these settings here. You can choose the voice here and you can select the text option here, what you like to say for the video. So if I want to say, hey, welcome to my channel Swift Picture, right? And I can select the voice. So let me hear the voice right away. So you can go ahead and tap on save and go ahead and preview it if you wish, and you can see the advanced options as well. You can use the vocal pitch as well and the pace of the sound as well. So this is how you can use text to speech on ClipChamp. Hope this video was helpful. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave the comments down below if you have any further issues as well.